Remember the 5th of November.
Wait, can you actually remember what we're remembering? Let's go back to 1605 when a man called Guy Fawkes tried to blow up Parliament on the 5th of November. Him and some others wanted to change England from Protestant to Catholic again, so thought if they kill King James I and his government, they could start a revolution. It was called the Gunpowder Plot. They put barrels of gunpowder beneath the Houses of Parliament in London, ready to set off a massive explosion. But the plot was rumbled, and the group was arrested and executed. The anniversary of them failing to blow up Parliament has now been celebrated for 400 years. People across the UK set off fireworks and light bonfires, sometimes with a guy on top. Well, except during World War I and World War II, where people couldn't set off fireworks which could disclose their location to enemies. But up until 1959, it was illegal not to celebrate Bonfire Night in Britain.